You will see feature changes and slightly altered visual layouts throughout eOceanic tutorials. That's because at eOceanic, we're interested in the moments that block your advancement, the places where you struggle, and in the ideas that make boating a little more pleasant, a little more secure, a little more interesting, and a little more enjoyable for you and for those you sail with. Therefore, we continuously refine our data and the application, adding elements that matter. So, please bring to us the areas where you need more illumination, or ideas that might improve things for you. Let us have a think about them. You never know. They could ignite something in our data and technical capabilities that might help. So let us know about the areas where you struggle and your moments of inspiration via our contact page by emailing Michael Harper.